Welcome back to Quarantine Cuisine. Today we are going to make some nice baby food. Some of my followers have babies, so maybe this will be helpful, although I don't know what I'm doing. Let's get to it. First things first, you're gonna get your blender. Alright. Get your blender and put it on the counter. Do that. Then take a banana that is quite ripe and put it on the counter. Just like that. Take out a cooked sweet potato. Do that, okay? Do that right now. I'm telling you, do it right now. Alright, so now that we have our bananas and sweet potato, we are going to get some frozen cauliflower, okay? Let's see. Got the white rice. Okay. I'll find that. Alright, so I found my riced cauliflower. It is not rice, it is just cauliflower that looks like rice. Bless you, mother. Okay, so you're gonna take your cauliflower and you're gonna put it in, let's say, 1/3 cup. Actually, half a cup. Half cup of cauliflower rice. Okay, I would have liked to use some spinach, but we do not have spinach. So, take your cauliflower and put it in your blender like that, okay? Get all that in there. Then, we are going to take our whole sweet potato minus the two little ends and plop the sweet potato in. Actually, break it in half. Then peel the banana. This is my leftover banana from breakfast right here. Never waste, and do that. Although we might want a little more, so peel another one. Oh, just want the top. Go like that. Put it in. Voila! We're going to put a little liquid just so we don't break the machine. You can either use oat milk or flax milk. That's all the milk we have. I like oat milk better, so that is what I'm using. Oh yes, I'm going to put half a cup, I think. Okay, like that. A little less than half a cup. Pour it in there. Yes, delicioso. Okay, now put the cap on. Yes, put the cap on. And then put it on the blender like that and plug it in, and then mush. Okay, now that I'm done, we're going to taste. Okay, did not taste that bad, but I'm going to pour it into a nice little baby bowl. Let me get my spoon. And there is our easy baby food. This recipe only has oat milk, a sweet potato, banana and cauliflower. It is it's good and not good at the same time. I would maybe feed it to my kid, but you never know. Anyways, thank you for watching this video and see you later. Actually, my mom says it's very good, so make it for your kids. Goodbye.